ActiveEco Decontaminant is an anti-microbial decontaminant which can effectively destroy a wide range of odour-causing bacteria, microorganisms, viruses and mould. If you need the best of the best in the health environment, then ActiveEco Decontaminant is the ideal product. The powerful biocidal blend is carried rapidly and deeply into the affected area with a dynamic wetting agent, which enables the biocide to penetrate substantially further into porous substances, fabrics and fibres than traditional disinfectants. Not only does it rapidly penetrate the contact surface, but it has an extremely high tolerance of organic soil, contributing to its biocidal efficacy. In trauma and other decontamination applications, ActiveEco Decontaminant is a very effective bactericide and economical to use. It is active against gram-positive and gram-negative bacteria, moulds, spores, and enveloped and non-enveloped or lipid and non-lipid viruses at suggested dilution rates.